Welcome to the Top 5 Teams Apps for Leaders series. Loop components are a great way to communicate within your team. You can use them to crowdsource an agenda, track a group's action items, or take notes collectively. It makes it easy to share thoughts, make decisions, collect data, and track progress. Loop components are another chat feature you can use with both group or individual chats, as well as meetings. However, they can't be added to a team post. All members of the chat are able to edit the loop components, and each component is automatically saved to a file in OneDrive. So you may begin to use this app to communicate and collaborate in a chat, then later move to a file where there's more opportunity and space for editing and adding as many components as you like. Let's take a look at how to use loop components in Teams. To add a loop component to a chat, whether using the regular chat or a chat within the meeting or after the meeting is ended, locate the icon underneath the new message field. Then choose the type of loop component that would be most effective for the type of communication you're building or tracking. Your options include a bulleted list, checklists, a numbered list, a paragraph, a table, or a task list. After choosing the component, build the initial shell, entering the necessary information you want to capture and share. If using a task list, you can use the @ symbol and select or identify a recipient or assignee for that task. Also, you can select a due date. This will tag that teammate so that they can easily review the task. It will also send a reminder email to the assignee, reminding them that the task has been assigned to them. You can update who this component is shared with by using the Share dropdown. When the component has been built, click the Send button. Now all teammates can view and edit the information, all in real time. They can use the Add button at the bottom of the loop component to continue adding to that loop component. If you created a loop component during the meeting, you can later view that component by opening up the meeting chat and locating the loop component there in the chat stream. You can also view your loops through your OneDrive. Click on the link at the top of your component. This will open the component in a workspace where you and your teammates can continue to work on the loop outside of Teams. Use loop components to effectively communicate meeting agendas, notes, or task lists within chat or meetings. By giving all members access to the loop, you can work together to build out and communicate ideas, plans, or projects. Have questions? Check out the Microsoft support page for more resources and videos.